In today's video, I'll teach you how to share YouTube video link on Instagram story. First of all, open up the video that you want to share on YouTube. After you do that, tap on the share icon that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is tap on this option, copy link. Now the link will be copied. Now what you have to do is open Instagram on your device. You can see over here Instagram has been opened. In order to add the story, tap on this option, your story, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to add the story over here. Simply tap on any photo or video that you would like to add. So if you want to add the YouTube video link, tap on the sticker icon that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, what you have to do is tap on this option, link, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to add the URL. What you have to do is paste the link that we copied earlier from YouTube over here. You can also customize the sticker text if you want. For that, tap on this field, customize sticker text. Now you can simply enter your text over here. Now once you're done, tap on the done option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the link has been added. You can tap on it in order to change the styles. After you do that, tap on this option, your story, that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now once your story is uploaded, you can see over here people will be able to tap on the link and visit that particular YouTube video link. So like this you'll be able to do it. So that is how you add YouTube video link on Instagram story. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.